step into the Ram 2018 ProMaster 1500 low roof. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: 4 speakers, AM/FM radio, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, media hub, USB, media input hub, radio, Uconnect 3 with 5 display, air conditioning and power steering. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.